So you can choose any tool that fits your vibe, like a planner, Notion, Google Sheets, or a pen and paper. And I'll share some other tools later on. But you can start by creating a simple plan with Google Docs. So here's an example of the 12-week year plan structure in Google Docs. So you have your start and end date, your goals. So for the 12-week year ending with your end date, I will, and then you list your 3 goals. So for YouTubers, this example is publish 6 videos in 2 weeks to grow my channel with better uploads. And then your next thing is strategies. So how you approach this goal. So to publish 6 videos, strategy 1 is to script and record content 1 week in advance, promote each video on Pinterest and Instagram, repurpose each video for the blog and newsletter. And then for the tactics, this is where you list everything you have to do to complete this goal. And that's for every week and every day. One tactic will be choose 6 topics based on search and analytics. And then you add your due dates and then your status. So not started, in progress, or complete. Once you complete this task, you change it to complete and then move on to the next one. This can be, for your due dates, this can be exact date, bi-weekly, weekly, daily, monthly, or you can say week 1 all the way through week 12. So to create a table like this, you will use the building blocks, but the first thing you need to do is go under File, Page Setup, and make sure this is pageless and not pages. So make sure this is selected and then press OK. And I'll show you why you should set it up like that in a second. So for the building blocks, you go to Insert and then Building Blocks. And then you would choose the simple decision log, but you can also choose from one of these, like meeting notes, email draft. Under project management is a review tracker, project assignments, or content launcher. But for now, under meetings, select simple decision log, and then you will add your goal here. Change topic to tactic, and then change decision to due date. You right click here to delete the column. And then for status, you'll click here to edit the options. So you can keep not started, in progress, delete blocked, and change approved to complete. And then click save and apply to all. So applying to all means the rest of the rows. So you right click here and then go under table options to make any changes you want to make, like the table border or the cell colors. You can also change the size of the columns and align it to the left or the center. Now, once you're done with that, you can add rows by right-clicking the row and insert row below. And to repeat this, an easier way to do this is to press Control and Y button to create more rows. You can do the same thing with the columns, insert column on the right to create more columns. So you would copy this full table and paste it twice to add in your 2 other goals. And then add in your goals, your tactics, and your dates. And for each tactic, choose a status. Now, if YouTube is your main goal, you can also create a tab here by clicking this plus button here. And then add your content launch tracker. And once again, it's insert, building blocks, and then under view more. For project management, you select content launch tracker. So you can keep track of all the videos you want to publish. You can add rows and columns the same way by right clicking and then insert row above, below, or insert column left or right. You can also pin the header to this top row. For example, when you scroll down here, this is pinned. So the row sticks to the top while you scroll down. So since you changed this page setup to pageless, you can collapse any heading that's on this page. For example, goals and strategies. Some things you can add to your planner is you can insert another column and use that for the stage. You right click this column and set the column type to drop down, and then stage, and click this cell to insert a smart chip. So this will be a date, file, or a place, or a drop down. And you create a new drop down. So if you watch my videos before, I use the prep workflow. So this could be plan, record, edit, and publish and promote. You can also change the colors. And then hit save. And you're good to go. You can also add sections for affirmations, mantras or quotes, or any of the reminders from Feel Good Productivity.